local civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning. We have received word that a dangerous anomaly has entered your local county. Please hide in your house and lock all doors and close all windows. This is not a drill. Anomaly has been identified as a black figure that can shape-shift. Thank you, Mandela County Police. May God be with you. Your local civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation. All residents of Mandela County are required to evacuate immediately. Pack only essential items. The Washington National Guard will help you out. Back away. Please follow all the instructions they give you. Thank you, Mandela County Police Department.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with
The U.S. government has issued a message statement for citizens living in the states of Washington, Idaho, California, Oregon, Wyoming are required to evacuate. The citizens in the states of Arizona, Utah are required to shelter in place. The National Weather Station in Salt Lake City has issued a fog warning to all residents of Salt Lake City. Should be taking caution when driving. Emergency services may not be able to reach you. Please stockpile food and water, as you might not be able to get food as a result of the fog. Your local authorities have issued a missing person for individual name, Dan Miller. He was last spotted at 4:20 p.m. at a bar. If you have any information, please call the Salt Lake City Police Department. Your local civil authorities have issued a farewell message. There is no hope. In past few days, more report missing peoples. The governor was pronounced deceased. To anyone that seen this message, may God be with you and stay away from the fog.